These are the only things you should be carrying on an airplane, and they're the absolute essentials. For me, contact case, contact solution, chapstick, ibuprofen. All this goes in a bin and into the middle flap of my backpack. A pin and charger for your phone. All of this goes in that same middle pocket. That's it. We don't want it too heavy. And lastly, never forget to leave your house without your keys. I always put mine on this little hook so that they'll never get lost in my bag. Next, water bottle, a snack, and a good book. Only bring one book, you don't want it too heavy. And always bring your water bottle so you don't spend $15 buying it on the ground before the plane takes off. Your laptop. This is my laptop. It's in a case. You should probably have a case, along with the charger and soundproof headphones. These headphones save my life on a regular basis, along with the people who are trying to annoy me to death on the plane. All of this goes in the top pocket. Lastly, your wallet, along with your boarding information and tickets, go in the tiny pocket. That's it. You're done. That's all you need.